Hello, I'm Peter from METTLER Toledo. Let me show you how our formulation and recipe management solutions helped a major beverage bottler optimize its energy drink production line. The beverage producer wanted to set up a new product filling line to facilitate consistent product quality and process traceability. The production process requires manual formulation steps, which leads to a high-quality control effort. The goal was to reduce the impact of manual errors as much as possible. Additionally, some process steps were based on paper-based instructions and the results not fully traceable. To address these challenges, the producer now uses Form+, METTLER Toledo's formulation and recipe management solution, to eliminate waste and prevent human errors in the formulation process. Form+ keeps control of material weighing tolerances and supports multi-workstation parallel processing. Today, the beverage producer has realized the following benefits from their formulation solution. The amount of out-of-specification batches is greatly reduced with tight process control. Form+ eliminated the need for manual paperwork. With the track and trace capability, the company achieved full visibility of formulation processes and can respond quickly to production errors. Navigate to mt.com to see the value that Form+ can bring to your operation today.